girl Kale. Welcome back to my channel. What we eating today, sis? Girl, we are eating a bomb vegan chopped salad. I'm so excited. I created the salad last week because I literally just didn't know what to eat, and I just kind of put together the ingredients I already had in my kitchen. It turned out great. It's very dynamic. It is not another boring salad, I promise you. It's very dynamic. It has different textures, it has different flavors, and I like to top it off with my favorite vegan ranch recipe dressing that I will share with you guys. One day I'll put it out there for you guys. But anyways, if you want to see it, stay tuned. Let's get it. So to start, we're going to season up some butternut squash cubes. I'm going to season it with a little sea salt, a little cinnamon, and a little smoked paprika to give it a nice, slightly smoky flavor. I did not drizzle any kind of oil on the butternut squash. They're already kind of slightly wet, so I just season it as is. We're going to give it a good mix and then spread it onto a non-stick baking pan and then pop it in the oven on 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. But you definitely want to check it because you don't want to burn it. We do want it to be slightly crispy, but we also want to see a pretty golden color. Okay, so while the butternut squash is cooking, we're going to go ahead and saute up some shaved Brussels sprouts. Y'all, this is my favorite part of the salad. I love me a good, flavorful, yummy Brussels sprouts. Y'all, I love it. And it gives such a powerful pack of punch to the salad. You don't want to miss out. So you're going to go ahead and place some oil in the bottom of the pan. I typically use chili oil for this recipe. However, I did forget and accidentally put olive oil in there. So I'm going to go ahead and add some chili oil to the top of my Brussels sprouts anyway, because I really don't want to miss out on the flavor that it gives to the Brussels sprouts. It's so delicious. But if you don't like anything spicy, it's slightly spicy, not too much. But if you don't like any spicy, then you can just omit it and use whatever oil you want to use. But I'm going to go ahead and add this chili oil. It is homemade. So if you want another recipe, drop a comment below and I'll let you know how I made that. And then also, we're going to flavor it up. The flavor is so important when it comes to Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some minced garlic. And then after the minced garlic, I'm going to go ahead and throw some Cajun seasoning, some Montreal steak seasoning, and some coconut aminos. As you know, I do not use soy, so coconut aminos is a great alternative to soy sauce. And then we're going to go ahead and fry them up, crisp them up until they're a little crispy. I meant a little brown and crispy. Okay, so for the fun part, we're going to start building our salad. So we're going to start with some fresh spring mix and place that at the bottom of the bowl. I personally don't like big chunky pieces of lettuce, so you just see me ripping it apart here. Y'all, forgive me for my unprofessionalism, but it was just me eating the salad, so it's cool, okay? So we're going to go ahead and place some fresh spring mix at the bottom of the bowl, followed by some nice crunchy kale. Y'all, this salad is so dynamic. It has so many different flavors and textures. We got the soft spring mix, followed by the crunchy kale, followed by our hot sauteed Brussels sprouts, and some roasted butternut squash that we just finished up cooking, followed by other ingredients. So if you want a full list of the ingredients, see the description box below. I'm also going to flash it across the screen so you can follow along, and let's get it. Okay, so in this part, we're going to add 2 chopped dates that have been pre-soaked in warm water. You do not want to skip the soaking part, so please make sure that you soak them in warm water for about 30 minutes prior to chopping them up and putting them on the salad, because you want to make sure that they are soft and chewy. It is a great texture for this salad. Alright y'all, that was my favorite vegan chopped salad recipe. If you like this video, if you think you're gonna give the recipe a try, give it this video a thumbs up. And if you want to know the next time I post another video to help somebody out, hit the subscribe button. Also, don't be afraid to share the recipe, y'all. Share the love, spread the love. You ain't got to be vegan to eat this salad. It is bomb. So anyways, if you do try this recipe out, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you switched out any ingredients. I've also tried this recipe with a hummus dressing that was really good. I kind of did half and half with a hummus dressing and my ranch vegan recipe, and it was really good. So if you do anything different, let me know. Post me on your Instagram and let me know how you like it. All right, y'all. Until next time, peace, light, and love.